Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PayPal Commerce for online checkout beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have a PayPal account ready for integration. Visit the PayPal developer site and log in with your PayPal account credentials. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. In the dashboard, locate the My Apps and Credentials section. Here, create a new app by clicking on Create App or provide a name for your app and select the relevant account. Once created, you will see your app's details. Take note of your client ID and secret, as you will need them later. Now, switch to the PayPal Checkout section. Enable the PayPal Commerce integration options you wish to use. Next, go to your website or platform where you want to integrate PayPal. Find the e-commerce platform or payment processor you are using. Access the settings or payment options within that platform. Look for an option to add PayPal as a payment method. Enter the client ID and secret that you obtained earlier. Select the desired payment options like PayPal, credit card, or both. Customize the checkout experience as per your website's design. Test the integration by making a test transaction. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is working properly. Once verified, you're ready for live transactions. Monitor your transactions through your PayPal account dashboard. Keep your app settings updated for optimal performance. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional PayPal Commerce setup for online checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.